I'm Hamish Kingsbury. I'm a Senior Spatial Data Specialist here at Abley in Christchurch. I first joined Abley back in the summer of 2014, just after I'd finished my third year at university. I was seconded to NCTIR to help with the Kaikoura rebuild. Being at NCTIR provided a great opportunity to work with various other disciplines. I was also fortunate enough to be able to go on a number of trips up to Kaikoura to visit site, and I never thought I would have had the opportunity to join an organisation like that while still being able to stay at Abley. Abley is a company that really focuses on developing and improving their employees' capabilities, and as a result of that encouragement and that willingness for Abley to improve their staff, it's allowed me to pursue a number of different avenues and skills that when I first entered the industry I didn't really know existed. The support that Abley had given me really helpful and sort of provided me that extra motivation, that extra kick to really go forwards and put myself out there.